Hello. Today's activity will be completed in Naviance. Naviance is our college and career exploration tool. The activity that you will complete today is called the Career Cluster Finder. What is a career cluster? A career cluster are groups of careers with common features and skills. Typically, they also require similar education or training. Examples of clusters include the list below. An example would be if I wanted to go into the healthcare profession, that could include doctor, dentist, chiropractor, nurse. It includes a lot of different jobs within that general career cluster. The activity that you will complete today is called the Cluster Finder Inventory. The Cluster Finder will help you learn what career clusters may be a good match for you, and this is based off of activities that interest you, personal qualities, and subjects that you enjoy. The next few slides are going to have screenshots of exactly where you are going to navigate in Naviance to find the career cluster inventory. At this time, if you do not already have your Chromebook open, please make sure you do so, and then we will walk through the general steps. In general, you are going to open your class link, open the Naviance app, select the student button, and click the teal green button that says continue with single sign-on. So again, at this time, we are all going to log in together. You will access your class link and go to the Naviance app. From there, you will hit the student button and then click on the teal green continue with single sign-on button. So once you have logged into Naviance, you are going to access the Career Cluster Finder assessment. You will do this by clicking on the Self-Discovery tab at the top and then clicking on the Career Cluster Finder. From there, you can click on Start Assessment. Once you click Start Assessment, you will tell Naviance about activities that you like and dislike, personal qualities about yourself, and school subjects you like and dislike. While you're answering these questions, try to be as inclusive as possible, meaning that if you are on the fence about something, if you're unsure if you like that activity, go ahead and include it as a possible profile option for yourself. The more information that you are including, the more results you'll receive at the end. Some of these activities are things that you are not doing right now, but that you may do in the future. For example, driving a car is not something that you currently do, but if you're open to doing it in the future, you would want to make sure you include this as a possible choice. Again, when you're on the fence or in the middle, try to be as inclusive as possible with your answers. After you complete the profile assessment, you will receive your top results. Your top 4 cluster matches will be shown along with a score next to each cluster. The higher the score, the higher the match. For your reflection, you are going to select one of these career matches, one of these top 4 cluster matches, and select it, click into it, and use the information in there to answer the questions. Once you select one of your top 4 clusters, you're going to click into that cluster. It's going to provide you a brief overview of what that cluster is. And then you can scroll down. You can see information about upcoming events, employment outlook, related occupations, related majors, program of study. And you will use the information in these different sections to answer the questions in your reflection assignment. There is a reflection component that is required as part of this activity. The Career Cluster Finder reflection will be completed through Linkit. So once you complete your Career Cluster Finder in Naviance, you can open up your Linkit, which is found on your class link launchpad, and the reflection will be listed under your tasks to do. If you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to your guidance counselor. Enjoy your search.